Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go back and look at one we did a couple weeks ago where we were pushing buttons to do the scene detection process. I have since discovered by looking through the API that there is another option to push the buttons. So let's go back and look at a one-word change in the script from a couple weeks ago, and we'll make that change and test it out. Let's see this change. Right here's the script we used a couple weeks ago, and we used this ParameterChanged in order to push the button. Since then, I've learned there's actually another option, so let's see what that is. We have something called trigger. And so we'll change both of those words from ParameterChanged to trigger, and then let's save this and test it again. So here is our project. We have the scene detection added to it. Now we're going to run the script. And we can see the analyze button was pushed, and then the split button was also pushed because we now have our three events on the timeline now. So this was just a short little tutorial showing this one-word change. Trigger will allow you to push a button. I did not know trigger was in there until I was perusing through the API again and just noticed it happened to be there, tested it out. It seems to do exactly what we think it should do. And so while this is a short tutorial, I hope you found it helpful and you can change all of your button pushes in the effects to trigger now. So I hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.